Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finviz for swing trading. First, navigate to the Finviz website and locate the Screener tab. This tool is essential for filtering through thousands of stocks to find those with the characteristics suitable for swing trading. We'll focus on setting up filters that highlight strong momentum and identifiable chart patterns, which are crucial for successful short-term trades. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up your first screen. To begin customizing your screener, select all from the drop-down menus to see all available filters. For swing trading, I recommend setting the market capitalization to mid or large to ensure sufficient liquidity. Next, filter by average volume, looking for stocks trading over 500,000 shares daily. This helps ensure you can enter and exit positions easily. Finally, apply technical filters, such as the 20-day simple moving average above 50-day SMA, to identify bullish trends. Once your screener generates a list of stocks, it's time to analyze their charts for potential trade setups. Look for clear bullish or bearish patterns, such as flags, pennants, or wedges, which often precede significant price moves. Pay close attention to price action around key support and resistance levels. Confirm your potential entries and exits using technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index or Moving Average Convergence-Divergence to strengthen your conviction. Effective risk management is paramount in swing trading. Always define your stop-loss level before entering any trade to protect your capital from unexpected downturns. Simultaneously, set a clear profit target based on your chart analysis and a favorable risk-reward ratio, aiming for at least 2-to-1. Sticking to these predefined levels helps maintain discipline and consistency. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh and your trading mind clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.